Hey everybody, we're going to be taking a look at the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states for any right triangle, the square of A plus the square of B equals the square of C. The converse says if you can square A and B and add them together and get the square of C, it must be a right triangle. So to test if it is a right triangle, we would first identify which side is our hypotenuse. Well, here's our right angle. Here's our hypotenuse. It's always opposite of the right angle, and it is the longest side. So we would square A and B. And then add them together. That gets us 225. So if 15 squared is equal to 225, this is a right triangle. Well, 15 squared is 225, so this is a right triangle. Let's take a look at number 10. Same rules apply. We have to find the longest side. We have to find the side opposite the right angle. Here's our hypotenuse. So we do 10 squared plus, this one's a little bit more challenging to square, but it's okay. We can do it. 2 squared is 4. 39. The square root of 39 squared is 39. So then I just set it equal to your hypotenuse squared. 10 squared is 100. 4 times 39 is 156. And 16 squared is 256. So is 100 plus 156 equal to 256? Yes, this is a right triangle. All right, looking at 11, we've got the square root of 115, 9, and 11. Here's our right angle. Here's our hypotenuse, the longest side. We just square everything. We're adding A and B squared together. 9 squared is 81. The square root of 115 squared is 115. And 11 squared is 121. Right away I can tell this is not going to work because I've got a 1 in my tens place here and an 8 in my tens place here. And that's going to be 9. And I need to have a 2 in my tens place. So, boop, that's not going to work. This is not a right triangle. All right, let's look at number 12. Again, we're just going to square our shorter sides and add them together and see if they equal the square of the largest side. 39 squared is 1521. 32 and 5/10 squared is, I'm going to run out of room, 1056 and 25/100. 48 and 5/10 squared is 2352 and 25/100. So if we add them together, will we get the same amount? We do not. So this is not a right triangle. I'm going to double check it. Yeah, we do not. Sorry. Sometimes I second guess myself. Had to check it. So there you have it. All you do is apply the Pythagorean theorem. If a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, then you indeed have a right triangle. Remember, the hypotenuse is always the longest side. It doesn't matter what you use for a and b because you're adding them, and addition can go in any order.